And it's rainy season, guys. Again, this is Kat, and for today's vlog, we'll be having a very quick tour here in Shore Residences. And this one is quite bigger than the usual because this one is the end unit, one bedroom here in Shore Residences. Actually, marami nag-ano na Shore 1, Shore 2, Shore 3, but there's no such Shore 1 Residences. This one is only Shore Residences, guys. Kasi yung iba binamali pa ako. Shore 1 po ba yan? Wala namang Shore 1. And basically, what we have here in the home entertainment, we decided to have this kind of design. This is very brand new because this one is in stone keme-keme. Stone ba to? And this is our new design, guys. So alam ko naman nagagayahin naman to ng mga ingitera. And this one, we built in this one. It also serves as a table if you want, guys. And we have an stooling here. So if you notice, guys, this one, I think this one is 3 panel. And we bought this one in secret. And come closer here. This is a, ano siya, ito yung babasagin na salamin. And this one is quite expensive, right? Because, so ang top niya, naglagay pa kami ng salamin sa top niya, guys. Ayan. So this area, guys. So it almost, and this one is the end. Siya yung dulo. So what we decided to add in here is a full size na mirror, guys. Kasi usually, yung mga guests sa Airbnb is the asking for the mirror, guys. So for this one, we add a full size. And since this one, for picture purposes, we have the plantita in here. Ayan. So, what I love the most here is the bed. Actually, the bed is a king-size bed. And we decided to have an idea. This one is Japanese-inspired. And this one is a floating bed. See? Yan. And eto yung gusto ko kasi king-size siya. Gusto ko pag may bahay ako, ganito yung gagawin ko. King-size yung bed. Kahit tumambling ako or yung split bed ma. And may LED siya sa baba. Ayan. So, we also have this kind of design sa headboard niya, guys. So, this is our new design, which is a stone. And we actually just put it here in the wall. So, ayan, puro siya stone. And this one, as I told you lately, and this one is a end unit, guys. Meron siya ng window this side. So, this also one is a sofa and turns into a bed. So, this one is a sofa bed, guys. And this one is 2-seaters. So, basically, they can stay here for almost 4 person, guys. And we